Ni hao. Hi everyone. Today we will learn about 东西 things part 2. Hope you'll enjoy our lesson. On this lesson, we are going to learn about handphone. 手机 手机 The quantifier of 手机 is 部 For example, 3 handphones 3部手机 5 handphones 5部手机 6 handphones 6部手机 The next is tissue 纸巾纸巾 The quantifier is 张 Now we are going to learn about in front and behind 前 in front 后 behind 纸巾后有什么 What is it behind the tissue? 纸巾后有手机 There is a handphone behind the tissue. 手机前有什么 What is it in front the handphone? 手机前有纸巾 There is tissue in front of the handphone. The next thing is 水壶 water bottle. The quantifier is 个桌子上有什么 What are the things above the table? 桌子上有纸巾和水壶 There is tissue and water bottle on the table. 桌子下有什么 What is it below the table? 桌子下有一只猫 There is a cat below the table. Now, please try to answer these questions. 柜子前有什么 What is it in front the cabinet? 柜子前有一张桌子 There is a table in front of the cabinet. 柜子后有什么 What is it behind the cabinet? 柜子后有一把椅子 The next thing is 窗户 windows. The quantifier is 扇 There are 2 windows. 有2扇窗户 There are 4 windows. 有4扇窗户 The next thing is 门 door. The quantifier is 扇 The same with 窗户 Now we are going to learn about open and close. 开 opened. 关 close. 开门 open the door. 关门 close the door. The last things we are going to learn on this lesson is 沙发, sofa. The quantifier is 张, 方向, direction. Now, do you know how to answer these questions? 桌子上有什么? What is it above the table? 桌子上有一张纸巾。桌子下有什么? What is it below the table? 桌子下有一个水壶。桌子前有什么? What is it in front the table? 桌子前有一张沙发。How do you enjoy our lessons? Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get the most updated videos. 谢谢，再见。